first of all, a very energetic evening, one and all present here. This side, Sana Noori. Today, as we know, this is an interview section, which I take. These student, they are a student of old student of English at Workplace. And first of all, thank you very much, my mentor Ayan Sheikh sir, who is giving me this wonderful opportunity to take this interview section. So thank you very much, sir. And now, and also welcome to both of you in our institute, English at Workplace. We are so glad to have you here with us today, and thank you for joining us here. And I hope you all guys enjoy your time here. And now, so I want to give my introduction in a very short manner that you want to know about me. My name is Sana Noori, and I'm the proud student of English at Workplace. And talking about my qualifications, so I am doing my graduation degree from St. Barnabas College. And now we are all guys here, and we are very curious to know about your introduction in a very short manner, that we know about yourself in a very detailed manner, and it's a good. So please give your introduction. Please give your introduction.
Hello everyone, this is Megha Nishu, previous journey of English at Workplace, and nowadays I am pursuing graduation from Midkhori College with Geology Honours.
Now,
hello everyone, this is Nandani here, and recently I have completed my intermediate from Inter Science College, and now I am looking for colleges.
thank you for giving your introduction. And now, as you know, all like we are here for taking some basic question. It's today's objective is not too much. It's a base. I will ask some basic questions related to your career, related to your English at Workplace journey, and some of the problems where you faced whenever you speaking in English and all the things, because most of the students here for only the thing they want to be a good communicator. So and I hope you all guys help us to be a good communicator. So can I ask, are you excited?
Yes.
So guys, are you excited?
Yes.
How's the Josh?
Higher.
No? How's the Josh?
Higher.
Okay, so can we start? Are you excited?
Yes.
Literally, are you excited? Okay. So my first question, I think we are sitting in English at Workplace Institute, and this institute is famous for English communication, right? So how we can forget that, the importance of English language? So my first question is, what do you think about English communication in today's advanced generation? My question to you, Nandini.
Okay, according to my opinion, I think English is something that in this generation, if you will go for a study in other state, then first of all you need English communication.
Yeah.
And it will make you more confident in front of so many people. Recently, I have visited a function where so many relatives was there, and my father was feeling proud because many relatives are saying that your daughter speaks too good English, and from where did she learn English?
Okay,
So I think it's very important. First of all, because of confidence, it increases our confidence.
Yeah, definitely. And what do you think about that? English important?
I think that English is very important nowadays, because whenever we go to wherever we go, then people will communication is a key that we can connect to each other. So all the people don't know your local language, so that English is a language that almost everybody knows about that when we go to other state, other country, and it helps us to communicate with the people.
Definitely. So I appreciate your point. You both are giving a very good point that we know. And the next question is, what role did EW Institute play in your life, and what changes do you find or see after studying there?
The changes you can see now there.
Yeah,
When I was my first class, I was feeling so nervous to speak in front of these people. But I feel confident, and now I'm able to sit here and speak in front of these people because of the confidence which I have got from my answer. And yes, we can say that the communication skill has been enhanced by this institute. And yes, of course, we can ask them.
Like as we can see your confidence level, guys. You can see her confidence level.
Yes.
Okay. And the next question, my next question to you, what is the thing about? Actually, we are here, and we are many of the things we are learned from the Ayan sir, because Ayan sir is our mentor and as well as trainer. So everyone inspires him. So my question is, what is the thing about Ayan sir that inspires you the most?
First of all, Ayan If I will talk about the teaching manner, it was too good. But if I will talk about apart from teaching, then I think the IELTS not only give us the lesson of English, it also gives us lesson about the life, that how we can take the decision of our life. When I was new in the tuition, that time I was too much introvert, and I was like, what I will do in my future. I don't know that my ambition is neat or what, but sir knows that what is my ambition. Sir is always like, you have to do neat, you have to do neat.
Okay, so your ambition is me.
And he knows.
And we know right now about your ambition. Okay. My next question is, there are many students here who are stuck, get stuck and blank on the spot while speaking English, and they face many challenges. They are not feeling confident as well. So my question, in the beginning, did you face the same problem or not? And if yes, then how did you overcome the problem? So please say.
Yes, in the beginning I was also facing the same kind of problem. When I was coming on the stage, I was getting blank and I was not able to speak in front of the people. But you know what? You have to chase this stage. First of all, you have to chase this stage. You think that your competitors are around you, but it's not you, the people. The competitor is only you, and you have to come here and you have to chase yourself so that you will feel confident. And by coming again and again on this stage, you can overcome on the stage fear.
Okay, literally you are saying very right, because our competitor is nobody. Our competitor is ourselves only. So the thing is that if you want to be a successful, then compete with yourself. And your line, I'm agree with your points. And the next question is, the next question to mine is Miss Nandini. So if you have to define yourself in only one word, so which word do you want to choose? Because it's a very famous question in, of course, in EW.
If I have to define myself in one word, then I would say that I'm not an introvert, I'm not extrovert, I am ambivert.
Okay, and what about you?
I don't know about me, but if I want to define myself in one word, then I am a shy girl. Okay.
Like, you know, like,
Shy girl. Now, okay. And the next question, which is, many students who get stuck in blank while speaking English. I think this question I also asked you, so it's a repeated question. But the next question, it's a very important question because every class has happened in this same situation. What was the funniest incident in your class that you never forget in your life?
So I will take some time. Please ask this question.
Okay, Nancy, what was your funniest incident in your class?
While giving our interview or anything that from the classes, I remember that there was a student in our class. Actually, if you don't know the English, but if you will have a confidence to speak English, if you will speak long or whatever, but if you will have a confidence, then everyone will going to appreciate you that, oh, he knows English. So there was a boy in my class. Whenever he comes to stage, the confidence level of him is very high. We notice everything that he is speaking wrong, he is speaking wrong. But because of his confidence, everyone appreciated him. And in that, because of his confidence, he will.
Oh, that's great. Because confidence is very important in everyone. Okay. Okay, so the one myth is here the students who have, here are many students who want to speak English, but who don't want to do practice in regular basis. So what do you want to give what would you like to give message of them people?
Okay, so practicing is means we can say that if you don't practice on regular basis, you can see me. And right now I'm not properly speaking because I have learned speaking means I think I haven't spoken English means I haven't talked to anyone in English. That's why I'm getting a little bit stuck in front of you people. But if you will practice, you will frequently speak in front of anyone.
Okay, what do you think about that?
I think practice is something that makes you perfect. And whenever we were in the class, that time we used to practice every day, and we enjoyed practice actually. Because at that time there is only about 15 minutes we have to practice. If you will have a good topic to practice, then you will enjoy that. I think practice is something that makes you perfect.
So are you understand, guys, the importance of practice in every day?
Yes.
Okay. Where is your energy?
How the joke?
How's the Josh? Okay. So now, as the most important thing I want to share you like about both of them, they both have been the winners of the public speaking championship competition season 4. So give it up a huge round of applause for them. And there is a struggle going on among most of the students here in this institute. They want to get the trophy. Okay. So is there any secret to win this championship? If yes, then please say only. No. Say all the people. What is the secret behind it? Is there any secret?
No,
Or hard
there is
work?
no any kind of secret. It's only hard work that you have to do. You have to do lots of practice. You have to practice even when you are doing your household works. And you have to practice in front of the mirror. You have to practice while opening your phone. You have to open your camera and you have to notice each and everything that where you are actually doing the mistakes. When you record your video and you watch the video, then you know that, oh, I am doing this kind of mistake. Suppose that if you are coming here and means if you are speaking this and I will watch this video later and I will say, oh shit, what I am talking here and what the mistake I am doing. But if I did it before at my home and I watched my videos, at that time I will able to correct my mistakes, you know. So that you should only do the practice and you have to means suppose that if you are living at your home, you have to make the people that you have to listen my words so that they can also they can also make you understand that where you are doing the mistakes. So the practice is the only thing that you can do for winning the trophy. Thank you.
And what we want to say, it's a very good answer which is given by Miss Megha, and I literally appreciate with your answer and agree with you. So what's your opinion about this? Is there any secret to win the championship or not?
I think the only thing is to do practice. You have to do practice everywhere. Just open your selfie camera and make a little bit vlog of your home with your brother and try to talk in front of mirror if you are shy. Then you will feel more confident. If you will talk to yourself, then you will have to do.
Yeah, definitely. That's the secret of the thing is practice, right? Okay. So I have completed all the questions which I want, and that question is also, but I want to do some activities. I want to play a game with you. So sir, we need a table.
Okay. This is
Yeah, we can.
very important.
Okay. So I have some of pieces of paper. Okay, and in this paper something is written, and on this spot you have to choose all these paper like and what things like what is our pattern and now whatever in the written on this paper you have to give the answer. Okay, and it's a very normal and easy question. So let's start with Megha ma'am.
I see your talent.
Okay, now you can say louder that it's all right here.
What is written in the sentence?
Your secret talent.
Secret challenge.
Okay, so I think my talent should be secret.
No, you have to give the answer. Whatever is your secret talent.
So I don't know what is my secret.
Anything that you feel really good about it. Is it that you go to the next level? To the top 15 and also get into what do you think like? What makes you unique?
So I think my secret talent is to make people laugh.
Make people laugh. Now, did you?
What makes that
Which movie have you seen recently?
Okay. Say louder. That all right.
I haven't watched movie from last 3 or 4 months.
What was the last one? What was the last one?
I think the last one was Sanam Telika.
Oh, hello, then this is clap.
Next.
Okay. Any word that you use the most? It's a phrase also. I also use the most like sorry, please, and let's break the ice also use. And also in my home. So this is my phrase.
how many hours do you use your phone?
Yeah.
Ask me that how many hours I don't use my phone actually. I'm always with my phone.
Okay, so you can say
Only when I sleep, I think 8 to 10 hours I don't use my mobile phone, and otherwise I have to study with my mobile phone only, and my rest time I use my mobile phone.
okay, now it's a great. That was
Speak louder.
What is the full form of ISO?
ISRO. Who gonna give the answer?
I am forgetting now.
Camera, focus please.
Who gonna give the answer, please? Raise your hand.
Mic please.
And you don't wanna give the answer. I think most of the people here. You don't wanna give the answer.
I want
Okay, now.
Indian Space Research Center is the full form of
Indian Space Research Organization.
Yeah, definitely. Right.
This is me.
Yeah, him. Your favorite color? My favorite color is black and white. Now you can choose.
White forest line.
What is your favorite food in main food?
Yeah.
So I'm basically a non-vegetarian. So I love to have biryani, chicken biryani.
Chicken biryani. Okay. Now you can choose.
Who is your favorite singer?
Arjit Singh. Okay. I give you just a huge round of applause for them.
So be consistent, be regular, and practice on the regular basis so that you will be able to improve your English communication skill, and follow the guidance of Ayan sir so that you will be win the trophy. Thank you.
My message is for you that maintain the consistency and be regular in the class, and do practice on the WhatsApp calls. And I will say one thing, that whatever we are today in terms of English, it's because of Ayan sir. But today I'm confident it's because of him. So follow the guidance of sir, and you will improve. You will see that you are improving.
And lastly, again, I'm saying thank you very much, and we are very grateful and delightful that you are giving your precious and valuable time for us. So thank you very much, Miss Megha and Miss Nandani. So in the last, give it up a huge round of applause for
I believe the session was very interesting, right? Now the Q&A round is open for 2 minutes, जैसे हम लोगों ने promise किया हुआ था, है ना? So, remarks, have you said? Ready with the question, guys? Yes, please. Mics, एक बंदा ऊपर चली गई, mic shift कीजिएगा हमने इसको भी. Good to go. Shall we start it? So, any questions directly to them, to Megha, to Nandini, and to me as well, but not to me right now today, because I don't want to bore you today, right? By giving my speech once again. So again, the report is all upon how to practice, when to practice, about the pronunciation, vocabulary, body language, tips, technicalities. और ये भी पूछेगा कि सर इतना हम लोग को डांटते हैं, पहले आपको डांटते थे, या बस अभी बहुत ज़्यादा aggressive हो गए. So you can actually ask the same question to us.
we want one photo.
But then right after that, once we're done, everybody will take the groupie, right? Because अभी दीवार खाली है. है ना? चलो. Who wants to be the first one? Question is for Megha ma'am. Ma'am, as you said that you makes other laugh. You make other laugh, sorry. So how do you make others laugh?
That means it depends on the situation. That in this situation I can't make you laugh, but I'm laughing. this is the talent.
We have a laughing doll that was Swisty.
Yes.
Have you ever watched Swisty? Have you ever seen? No? So you guys are familiar with that. Oh my gosh. She is.
I want to know about how many hours do you give to practice for improving English pronunciation?
Actually, there is not a particular time which I was used to give in English. But when sir was telling us that you have to give at least 1 hour for, means you have to talk at least 15 to 20 minutes with one person. And you have to at least talk to 2 persons each day. So I was giving 1 hour, and when I have to give the public speaking, I was practicing a lot, because at that time I have to win the trophy. And when I was doing my household work. At that time, I was practicing.
My question is to you, Leela. I would like to know about your journey of your learning and skill set of become a effective communicator from joining to now.
At the first time, I was not able to speak on the stage, and after that, first of all, I had tried to improve my grammar portion, and sir was teaching us tense, and I was going through that, and after getting the tense and all the things, and sir was also forcing us to do the activities, to come on the stage and to be the regular basis on the classes. That helped me a lot to speak in front of you and improving my English communication skills.
As you know, we have to remember our state to perform in a better way on the stage. So I would like to know how do you remember your script, because only remembering by rote is not good way to remember anything. So how do you remember anything in a quick way?
Suppose that you have given a topic that about drug addiction. You have to go through that topic, and if you will go through that and you have a good grammar, then you don't have to remember the things. Just you have to suppose that if you're thinking that you will be not able to speak on stage, then ask your people to sit in front of you and tell them that if you are speaking and they are listening to you, and you don't have any people, and you just open your selfie camera and record your video and see that what kind of mistakes you are doing.
Okay, so did you get enough knowledge about communication skills so that if you wish to go ahead in the field of English communication skill as a training industry, as a teacher, some other steps, will you be willing to do that? Do you feel the confidence level?
If I will not able to qualify the NEET in next year, then I am definitely trying to I will try to go to this field also, because teaching is also a great thing. I have seen. I answered.
Good evening, ma'am.
And Sagar,
Did you ever post your videos on your WhatsApp status while speaking English?
Actually, I didn't.
Did you ever post your videos on your WhatsApp
Yes.
status to while speaking English?
Yes, of course, because I have to get the vote, so I have to post on WhatsApp status.
So, I really want to know that which kind of comments did you get from there?
yeah, very valid question by the way, because when I get an activity to upload the video on the posters, they think tons of time. सर क्या बोलेंगे, है ना, ऐसे नहीं होगा, हम शेयर नहीं करना चाहते, हम चाहते 6 महीने के बाद जब पूरे तराश कर खुद को निकाल ले, अचानक से सबको हम अजूबा दिखाएंगे. सो इनफैक्ट कोई नेगेटिव कमेंट आया, जैसे हमारे पास प्रदीप है ना, लास्ट टाइम उनके रूममेट ने कमेंट करा था, उन्होंने प्रैक्टिस ही छोड़ दी. हमारे पास कई ऐसे एग्जांपल हैं, तो क्या आपके साथ ऐसा हुआ? व्हाट वाज द सिनेरियो बाय द वे, प्लीज शेयर इन ब्रीफ.
Suppose they give comment, then you just don't ignore them, but also see the points what they are saying and improve. And suppose that someone is saying that you are not good in speaking, your confidence is very low, then you have to improve at that level, so that in next video when they give you the what you can say, they give reason, they give you the reason to speak properly in front of the people. And I have when I was posting my videos, my mama was also posting her videos. I went to one function, so he was a video. So he was telling me that I have seen you on videos, so your mama was posted one video and you are speaking so well. And at that time I was feeling so proud, because he told me that from where did you learn the English? Then I have told that from the coaching of English at workplace. So this kind of things you will face in the that will make you proud.
Very well.
My question is both of you. And how many days did you see improvement in yourself?
In the starting month, I have already mentioned that I was too much introvert girl. Then in starting, I think it takes 1 month to come on this to be friendly with everyone. When I got the friendly environment in English at workplace, first of all, it was the best thing that I have ever got. The best environment here I have got, and because of this, I think I improved so fast. In second or third month, I was seeing that I was improving too much, and everybody was helping in that.
Very well.
My name is Nita Selvi. How are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I am very good. What is your achievement, big achievement?
The big like I have also got the medal certificate, but according to me my biggest achievement is I was on the function where the function was related to Ambedkar Jayanti, and in that function I went to stage and I spoke very well, and my father came here and he just appreciated me in front of everybody, and I think that time I have seen the proud in the eyes of him, and I think it was the best moments, and I also want to see the next time that proud moment in my father's eyes.
I'm very curious to know that why do you want to learn English? Means this is a very nowadays women are not so excited to so excited to learn English.
Of course, needed 46 years of time.
She's an inspiration, kind of. Right?
Yeah. So what is
You are
attracting
really
you?
inspiration for women of this.
Thank you. But I am very excited meet Ayan sir and learn to English.
Okay, so ma'am, I want to know that why do you want to learn English? Means do you need to go in other fields like so that you have?
I am very like English spoken.
Okay.
I want to know how to overcome from nervousness.
I have already told you that practice and you have to again come to the stage again and again so that you will be able to what we can say overcome the nervousness.
And
How are you feeling now from here to Biko?
I am feeling very happy because after a long time here. And how are you feeling?
My feeling is good.
Okay. Ask that English कैसे improve करना है? Steps बताइए. How to improve?
How to improve English?
In which class do you read in?
I am in 6th class.
6th class. So are you new student in EAW? So are you in practice group? Are you practicing daily? Then after practicing daily, you will able to improve your English communication.
This is Sat Kumar. I am a student of the school. When I give any speech, so that time my confidence is so less. So my question is that how to improve my confidence?
Very well.
Presentation with confidence down. What techniques do you have, guys?
First of all, I want to know from you that in which class do you?
I am studying in class 9.
I want to ask from you that when you are in class 6, 7, 8, do you used to give a speech on the stage?
When I give the speech, that's I am so nervous. So how to improve my confidence?
I think everybody got nervous if they will they will speak they will give a speech in front of everyone on Republic Day. Even there was the incident of Ayan sir. It was too famous that Ayan sir on 26th of January, it was the time of his school time. He got blank, and from means when he lost the hope, and because of that he is teacher now of English and the best teacher of English at West. And I think if you are feeling nervous, then if now you are here and if you will practice more here, then I think you will give the speech very good on upcoming 15th of August on your.
I am facing one major problem. When I speak in front of people, I speak in English. I feel I make wrong sentence. That's why I stop just a moment. How to overcome this situation?
Don't think that you are speaking right or wrong. If you are speaking, means suppose that I am speaking, I am also speaking anything wrong, but I am not saying that I am speaking wrong. And if you will say that I am speaking wrong, then people will also notice that. So first of all, don't accept that you are speaking wrong.
Same question.
Yes.
My answer is same like speak confidently and people will not going to judge you. If they will see the confidence level of you, then they will not going to judge you. And after having too much conversation in English, then you will see the improvement in yourself. Because if you are speaking wrong, then you are like, you know that I am speaking wrong, but no, and not everyone knowing that you are speaking wrong. So be confident in front of everyone.
Hello Megha and Nandini. I'm Sanjana and I hope you are feeling very good on the stage, and I appreciate your confident level and the way you are speaking on the stage. So my question is that you both are both are the student of biology. May I right?
Yes.
So the first question is, you find anything interesting in biology?
I think in biology the most interesting thing is that like physics and chemistry, you don't need to remember the formulas and that all. But in biology, you will feel much comfortable because you will get the information about yourself, that how our body is working.
Yes.
And I think that is the thing that makes more interesting about biology, because in that we learn about the human, that how our body works.
And when you realize, just one more question, when you realize to become a doctor in your life?
From starting, I don't have an interest to become a doctor. First of all, I have an interest of defense line because I like the dress of inspector. First of all, I see myself, then I think in medical they will not select us because of medical issue. So
I am facing same problem. I am very interested in the army.
the outfit is too good. That's why.
Both of you. My question is that when I speak in English, so I forget the vocabulary which I want to say on the spot. It's a very environmental vocabulary. I forget on the main time, but I know what I want to say in my mind after saying, before saying the thing I know. But when I want to say, then you know now what I want to say. Like I forget the thing, I vocabulary so I want to know from you, like how to improve my environmental vocabulary that I speak in a fluent manner.
Actually, this happens with everyone, and it is very natural. But if you want to really improve that, want to speak in on the spot, then you have to always practice that. Means suppose you have to always use that phrases. Suppose that if you're speaking to anyone, means at your home also, you always have to use that vocabularies so that you will be able to speak anytime.
Last question of us, like I really want, and we also really want to know, like as being a student of EAW, and now you are on the red counter with sitting on the hot seat. I would like to know, like how you feeling over there, and like how we are the student of EAW, like we also want to go over there. How we gonna, like how we will go there?
Everyone comes here, and not we are the special here, and
You are the special one.
no, because we have left. I think we have. It has been 6 to 8 months we have left this institute, but still we feel connected here. Means we have always have a special place for this institute and for Ayan sir. So that's why we are here, and I think if you want to come here, then improve your communication. Then sir will also tell you to come here.
Requires a lot of courage to go from that position to this distance. So please give a huge round of applause for both. Now my question to both of you is just a single question, and that's all about. I believe that question is definitely gonna relate to each one and every one of you. And the thing is all about right now. We all are not me. We all are in the age of like less than 25. Approximately 25, 23. So, apart from this kind of fake relationship issues and the networking quotients and multiple of the distractions are still available in the market, how you both have kept yourself indulged and focused and concentrated so that you have been succeeded in your life. I just want to answer this particular question to each one of them so that they all would be able to learn something from yours. I believe that you all would be able to learn. Getting the point? Cool. So,
Okay.
First of all, I never engaged in this type of thing, just because, according to me, I think that whatever I am, it's like I don't like anybody. I think if I will like this, I think in my point of view, my father will choose much better than me. And every time, whenever, even in my clothes, in dress, I choose this dress, and after the time I feel that no, this dress is not suiting on me. And when my father select the dress for me, then after a month I realized that yeah, this outfit is too good. So I applied this on my this thing also, that if I will choose a boy, then it will not be at the last, and if my father will choose, then I think he will choose much better.
Awesome. What do you think about it?
I think at this age, many people get distracted with this kind of things. I think means we should be focused to our career more, because it will help us to means in upcoming time. Suppose that I will get married to someone, then at that time I don't want to be dependent on him. I want to be dependent on myself only, so that I will be able to do whatever I want.
My name is Bod. Being a backbencher, is there any doctor to learn English without doing only attending?
Being a backbencher. It is not necessary to sit on the front bench only, but because as we can say that here is a mic, here is an answer, so you can't think that if you're doing any other thing, sir is not seeing you. Always think that sir have eyes on you only, and there is so many CCTV cameras also, so don't do any other activities instead of studying.
Good evening. My name is Rupesh. I have a question. Can I ask?
Yes.
Even in a small town like Hazaribagh, now people are becoming very active to learn English communication skills. And result of this, there are so many type of English spoken classes are started. Then in your point of view, what is the best thing of EAW so that a student must come here?
I can say the environment we get here, because in other institute I haven't gone, but I can say that means the practice, the Ayan sir give us the guidance to each and every student, whether the students are weak or strong. He don't think that the student is weak, I don't want to see him, or I don't want to give him a guidance, but he always take care of each and every student. And in other means institute we can see that means they are focused on the strongest student, we can say. And this is the best thing we got here from Ayan sir, that he always take care of each and every student.